Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a fun little video for today. This is the Swizzles Sweet Factory Advent Calendar. It is $3.99 from Home Bargains, and I love all of these retro sweets. So I just think this is so much fun. I'm super excited to get into this calendar. I believe this calendar has 24 days. So we're going to go on ahead and start with our very first store. These windows are super hard to find, but number one is right here. We'll pop that open. Oh, and it's sealed. Wow, I love that. So it means that nothing falls out. The first thing that we have are these little Swizzle drumsticks. They are a raspberry and milk flavored chew bar. You guys probably have seen these drumsticks on a lollipop, but in this one we have the little chew bar. It's just like a nice little taffy, and I love that it's vegan free. So that's our day number one. We'll pop our window in there. Let's look for day number two right down at the bottom. Ooh, what have we got in day number two? Oh my gosh, how cute. Day number two are a little mini pack of Love Heart Sweets. I love these. They all have little sayings on the inside, but how cute and adorable are they? They are tiny, but adorable. Let's find number three. Oh my gosh, these are super hard to find. Can I find number three? Number three, where are you? Oh my gosh, super hard to find. And they're only on the front. So day number three, let's find where you are hiding. Day number three, right up here at the top. Let's punch in our little window, punch it right in. And again, we have our little, oh my goodness, these all have sayings on them. So day number one says, how many sweets in Santa's sleigh? Day number two says, how many robins? Day number three says, how many stockings on a wall? And in day number three, we have a little refresher bar. This little refresher bar is exactly like the little drumstick candy. It is a taffy and it is original lemon flavor. These are so delish. Let's look for day number four. How much fun is it to open these little candy boxes? And you get a treat for every day. So that is pretty darn good. Oh my gosh, these are super hard to find. Oh, we have day number four right down here at the bottom. We'll pop day number four. Day number four says, how many refresher bars in the refreshers room? I don't really know what that means, but that's day number four. These are one of my ultimate favorite sweets. These are Swizzles Parma Violets. I think they are a little bit of an acquired taste, but they're definitely one of my favorites. Definitely one of my childhood favorite sweets. Parma Violets are in day number four. Day number five, where are you hiding? Day number five. Well, we know where day number six is, so that's awesome. Day number five, right over here on the side. Day number five says, how many factory windows? These are a bit strange. What did we get in day number five? Another drumstick. So that's two little drumsticks that we have. Let's pop on over to day number six. I don't know the kind of variety that we're going to get in here, but day number six says, how many sweets is Mr. Swizzles holding? Oh, so these all refer to the back of the box. So you can actually do a little puzzle at the back of the box, which again is quite fun. These are Swizzle sweets. They're just a hard little chalk candy, and they fizz in your mouth, almost like popping candy, but not with the big pop. Day number six, we're going to go to day number seven. Sorry guys, we had a little dog barking situation. So we have day number five, day number six. We're looking for day number seven. You will hear my dog pottering around. She's just pottering around eating her breakfast. Let's see, day number seven. Oh my gosh, these are super hard to find. Day number seven, right over here in the corner. And this little tab says, how many presents under the Christmas tree? I'll show you guys the back so that you can play along as we're going on. so you can see all of the little packaging and the front, so you guys can play along. So day number 7 is, oh, this is something I've never tried before. This is a Swizzles Stinger. It's Tutti Frutti flavored chew bar. The chewiest chew bar on the planet. So this will be interesting for me. Day number 8. I saw day number 8. Day number 8 is hiding. Where are you hiding? Day number 8. Oh my gosh, I've lost day number 8. Day number 8, right here, right in the middle, or right to the side. We'll pop this little one over, and we have how many rooms are in the factory. Let's see what we've got inside. Ooh, another thing I have never tasted before. So this is a banana and toffee flavored chew bar. It's just a little taffy bar, vegan friendly. So this is a nice little snack for day number 8. Day number 9, I already know, is right here. What have we got behind this window? How many packs of Parma violets are in the purple basket? Ooh, interesting. Ooh, day number 9 is a love day. Day number 9, another little pack of love hearts. Day number 10, right over here. How many individual bells are on the Christmas tree? I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments section below. Let's see what we've got. We've got another refresher bar in a different flavor this time. We had the original lemon, and now we have the strawberry flavored taffy. Day number 11. Where are you? Number 11 is right here. Pop 11. This is not easy to open. How many rolls of fizzers are in the pink basket? What did we get in day number 11? Ooh, something different. We have a snap and crackle bar. It is a chewy bar with bursts of flavor. It doesn't tell me what flavor, but another new little product, which I'm loving. Were we on day number 11? Day number 12, right here. How many individual love hearts are coming down the converter belt? So this is also the front. So if you guys go back to the front or back to the start of the video and play along, that would be awesome. Let me know in the comment section below any of your answers. Again, another little drumstick. So now I've got 3 of those, which is, because they are delicious. Day number 13, pop you right out. How many squishy sweets are in the giant jar? Guys, let me know in the comment section below. In day number 13, we have another original lemon flavored refresher. Day number 14, where are you hiding? Day number 14 is right down here at the bottom. Let's see what question this is asking. How many sweets in all the factory windows? Guys, comment in the comment section below. This one I'm just going to pop off. And what have we got inside here? Ooh, more Parma violets. That's pretty awesome. My favorite sweets. Day number 15. What have we got? I think I poked my finger right through it. I did. Day number 15. How many books are on the shelf? Again, guys, comments, answers in the comments section. Ooh, what have we got here? Ooh, another little stinger bar. Pretty awesome. Day 16 is down here. Pop 16 out. How many Christmas trees are there on this entire advent calendar? What have we got in day number 16? Let's open and find out. Oh, we have more love hearts. I am so loved up today with all of these love hearts. That is pretty awesome. Day 17, right up here at the top. What have we got? How many letters in the word factory? Comments in the comment section. Answers below. We have another little strawberry refresher bar. I am building up a ton of sweets. 17, let's go to 18, which is right down here at the bottom. Let's see what we've got in 18. 18 is proving difficult. What does it say? How many rolls of love hearts are in the love heart room? Ooh, I don't know, guys. Let me know. We have some more fizzers. They are awesome sweets. We're going to go to 19, which is right over here. Pop right through. Oh, We'll open the wee window. How many baubles are on the tree? Guys, let me know. What have we got? Ooh, we have another banana skids, banana and toffee flavored chew bar. Pretty nice. Let's go to 20, right up here, hiding right at the top. What have we got? How many red baskets of love hearts are there? I don't know. Can you guys see any love heart baskets? Let's see what little treat we've got. Ooh, we've got another little refresher bar. Pretty nice. Let's go to 21, which is right here. Oh, I poked it right through. How many love hearts are in the arched door? I don't know, guys. Do you know? Let me know in the comment section. We have another little drumstick chew bar. We're on 21. We're looking for 22 right over here. Let's be a little bit more gentle with this little one. How many days in Advent? That's an interesting question. Do you guys know? Let me know if you know. We're going to pop this one right off. We're going to open it up. Oh my gosh, I am so loved. More love hearts. And we're going to go to 23. One before the big one right at the top. How many stars on the back? I don't know, guys. Can you see how many stars are on the back? If you can, let me know. But 23 holes. Oh, another little snap and crackle bar. And then day 24, our very last day. And this window is so cute because this window it opens almost like a little door. So it opens this way and then it opens this way. How cute is this? I ripped the question, but that's fine. What is the question? How many cheeky elves can you spot? Ooh, I don't know, guys. Let me know. What have we got inside here? Oh, this is a packet. Oh, this is a little mini packet of drumstick squishums. They are so cute and adorable. These are delicious. Not as good as the actual chew bar, but still pretty nice. So guys, this is all the candy sweets that we got from our advent calendar. This was a lot of fun. I love the fact that they have a little question and they have a little puzzle game on it as well. And it was just so much fun. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please smash that thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. I really hope you guys had fun. I had a ton of fun opening this calendar. I'm going to have even so much more fun eating all of this candy. So totally happy. If you guys are interested in purchasing this little advent calendar, you can do so at Home Bargains. Totally not sponsored video, but just in case you want one, it is a lot of fun. I love all the retro sweets. I'm a very, very happy camper today, and I hope you guys are too. Please have the most wonderful day. Please stay safe. Please take care of each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. I'll see you all later. Bye.